Welcome. Today, we'll walk through a quick and easy way to deploy FormCMS using Docker Compose. First, let's open the terminal and create a new project directory for our demo. We'll call it New Demo and navigate into it. Next, we'll create our configuration file. This dockercompose.yml file uses the Jyke FormCMS mono image and sets up the PostgreSQL database automatically. Now it's time to launch the services. Running Docker Compose up-d pulls the latest images and starts the containers in the background. With the containers running, the application is exposed on port 5000. Starting FormCMS for the first time, you'll need to create an admin user. Let's head over to the browser. Navigate to localhost 5000/mate/login. Log in with your admin credentials to access the FormMate AI dashboard. Finally, in the system settings, we'll configure our Gemini API key to enable AI-powered CMS generation. Your FormCMS deployment is ready. Next, let's design a new entity using our AI System Designer. Now, we'll ask the AI to create a post entity. In seconds, it suggests a category entity and establishes a many-to-one relationship. Reviewing the generated schema, you can see all the fields and relationships. Let's confirm and apply these changes. Next, let's let the AI generate some demo data for our new post entity. This provides a great starting point for testing our setup. Now we'll move over to the admin app, which is our content manager. Notice how the post and category modules are already live and ready. We can see our generated demo data right here. FormCMS has already built the management interface for us automatically. Finally, we can go back to the Mate app to fine-tune our entities, adjusting attributes like display types and labels for a better experience. Now, I'll show you how to use our AI Schema Builder to instantly create and test queries for your content. First, we'll ask the AI to create a post list query. As you can see, the AI understands the schema and generates the query automatically on the left. Next, let's create a query to fetch a specific post by its slug. The AI handles the input variables and filtering logic for us. Now, let's head over to the query detail page. Here, we can easily preview live data by hitting Test Request. This ensures our query is working perfectly. For more control, use the Query Designer. It offers full GraphQL IntelliSense, letting you manually refine your queries with suggestions and real-time validation. Finally, let's test the get post by slug query. We'll grab a slug from our preview and paste it into the variable field. And there we go, precise data returned for a specific record. With our data and queries ready, let's ask the AI to build a post list page from scratch using predefined agent prompts that output HTML components. The page planner responds first. It identifies the post entity and designs a route, post list. Now it's handing off to the page architect agent. Watch the status bar on the right. It shows waiting for page architect agent. The architect is analyzing our schema, deciding which queries and components to use. The architect's output appears in the chat, a detailed HTML blueprint. It has chosen 3 components: a search bar, a data list, and a top list sidebar. Now, the builders run serially. First up, the search bar builder agent. It generates the HTML prompt for the search header with keyword input, category dropdown, and filter chips. Notice the Explorer, a new page post list has just appeared. The search bar builder completes and hands off to the data list builder agent. The data list builder is now running. This is the main column of postcards. Each card shows a cover thumbnail, title, summary, category pill, read time, and view count. Finally, the top list builder takes over, generating the sidebar component with the top 5 posts by view count, quick category filters, and a newsletter sign-up. All 3 HTML component prompts are complete. The page detail view shows our 3 components: search header, post list column, and sidebar column, with a live preview already loaded. The page is published instantly. You can see the published badge and the full live preview rendering beautifully right here inside FormCMS. Now let's open the visual layout editor. On the left is a drag and drop grid. On the right, a live preview updates as we rearrange the components. We drag the search header to span the full top row, then place the data list and top list side by side below. The layout adjusts in real time, no code needed. We save and click Visit Page. The live site opens in a new tab. Here is our fully generated post list: search bar, article cards, and top post sidebar all working together. We click Next to test pagination. It works perfectly. In just a few minutes, FormCMS AI agents built and published a complete, functional content page from a single prompt. Next, we create a post detail page. After the AI generates the page, we can see the post detail page right here. It consists of a main content area and a sidebar layout. We can easily adjust their layout using the visual editor. Now let's take a look at how the page routes. First, we rename the post list page to Home. Then we navigate directly to the website's homepage. From here, we can simply click a post to go to its specific detail page. And we can click any related post to seamlessly navigate between pages. To make the page interactive, let's add an engagement bar by selecting Add Feature and choosing Engagement Bar. Once added, we can easily adjust its position within the Visual Layout Editor to fit our design. Now, on the Post Detail page, we can see the new engagement bar featuring Like, Share, View, and Bookmark icons. Clicking the Share button opens a dialog with options to share the post to X, Reddit, email, or copy the link directly. The bookmark feature allows us to save the post to a default folder or organize it by creating a new folder. Finally, users can visit their portal dashboard to access their complete view history, liked posts, and manage bookmarks.